Mistral has released another version of their Voxtral model. This time, they have done numerous innovation to this previous version which we covered already a month ago on the channel. This time, we are going to again install this model locally from Hugging Face and we are going to test it out on various benchmarks. I will be also telling you all about its architecture and various other features in as simple words as possible. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. The tool which we are going to use for this is this VLLM Omni, which we covered 3 months ago, and this tool has also improved a lot, but that is a topic for another video. Coming back to this new Voxtral model, it is a 4 billion TTS model, open weight text to speech, built for production voice agents. It supports 9 languages: English, French, Spanish, German, Italian, Portuguese, Dutch, Arabic and Hindi, and we are going to test all of those. It also ships with 20 preset voices and allows for easy adaptation to custom voices, which is quite interesting. It also outputs 24 kilohertz or somewhere around that, I would say, audio in formats like WAV, MP3 and Opus. We are also going to test out how much VRAM it takes, because they are saying that it is genuinely viable for real-time applications like customer support, call center, and also has beaten ElevenLabs on various benchmarks. So let's get started. I'm going to use this Ubuntu system. I have one GPU card, NVIDIA RTX 6000 with 48 GB of VRAM. Now, first up, I'm going to git clone the repo of this VLLM Omni. And if you're looking to rent a GPU on very good price, you can find the link to Massed Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for range of GPUs. And I will be using UV package manager to get this installed. I already have UV installed. If you don't know how to install UV, just search my channel. It's a single liner command to get this UV installed. Let's install everything with this UV. Everything is installed. Now we can launch the Gradio demo which they have provided in their repo. And the demo is now running on our local system. Let me open it. And you can simply access it on the default Gradio port of 7860. There you go. So Voxtral demo is now running. You can also run it on your in the AI studio of Mistral.ai if you like. Okay, let me adjust the page and then we can try it out. For the first test, I am going to give it this sentence which says the river does not drink its own water and all that stuff. The main thing here is that we are testing natural prosody and emotional range in all of the tests which we are going to do. That is the hallmark of this model. Natural prosody is a rhythmatic, intonational and pacing variety in speech that makes it sound like human, not robotic. While emotional range is the ability to convey different feelings like joy, sadness, urgency through tone, pitch and emphasis. And that is what I'm going to test out. So they have given some of the preset devices. Let's first check them out, few of them, that these are different emotions where it has gone with it. So let's check out Jane with Curious in English. And it was very quick. Let me play it for you and just listen to it.
The river does not drink its own water. The tree does not eat its own fruit. The sun does not shine for itself, and the flower does not spread its fragrance for itself. Living for others is the rule of nature.
That's pretty good. Let's check the VRAM consumption. So it is just consuming touch over 3 gig of VRAM, which is very good. You can even run it on a good CPU with plenty of RAM, like 16 to 32 GB. And now I am trying out Mary in angry voice. I already have synthesized. And if you're that native language speaker, please also help us out about your feedback in the comments.
La rivière ne boit pas sa propre eau. L'arbre ne mange pas son propre fruit. Le soleil ne brille pas pour lui-même et la fleur ne répand pas son parfum pour elle-même. Vivre pour les autres est la loi de la nature.
Let me know. I think it was pretty good. What do you think? And now let's do the real test. I have just clicked on this customization tab and let's do the customization. Let's go with the Spanish first. I'm just going to go give it the Spanish text. Let me upload a Spanish audio from my system. Now for the Spanish one, let me first play the original.
Tu voz me envuelve como la seda, me pierdo en tus ojos como en un océano sin orillas, y cada vez que sonríes,
Now let me play what exactly it has generated for this text.
el río no bebe su propia agua, el árbol no come su propio fruto, el sol no brilla para sí mismo, y la flor no esparce su fragancia para sí misma. Vivir para los demás es la regla de la naturaleza.
I think the naturalness in voice cloning is really, really optimal. And now let's test Arabic. Let me first play the original.
يمكننا الراحة تحت ظلالها الباردة.
Let's check out the generated one.
النهر لا يشرب ماءه والشجرة لا تأكل ثمرتها. الشمس لا تسطع لنفسها والزهرة لا تنشر عطرها لنفسها. العيش من أجل الآخرين هو قانون الطبيعة.
Okay, so I mean, just listening to it looks okay to me, but please let me know what do you think in your comments. And now let's check the German. Let me play the original.
Können unsere Stimmung sofort heben. Es ist ein Geisteszustand, der durch Dankbarkeit, Achtsam.
And let's play the generated
Der
one.
Fluss trinkt nicht sein eigenes Wasser. Der Baum isst nicht seine eigene Frucht. Die Sonne scheint nicht für sich selbst und die Blume verbreitet ihren Duft nicht für sich selbst. Für andere zu leben ist das Gesetz der Natur.
So when you are giving your feedback, please focus on whether this voice sounds natural or not. If someone is speaking German, this sentence, a native, how close do you think it is? So that is what I am very keen to know. And now let's try out the Hindi. Let me play the original.
बाजार में गरम गरम समोसे और चाय की खुशबू से भरा माहौल था, जहां रंग बिरंगी साड़ी।
Let me play generated.
नदी अपना पानी नहीं पीती, वृक्ष अपना फल नहीं खाता, सूरज खुद के लिए नहीं चमकता और फूल अपने लिए खुशबू नहीं फैलाता। दूसरों के लिए जीना प्रकृति का नियम है।
There you go. This is what I'm doing. So I think Hindi is pretty good. I can understand what she's saying a bit, but of course I'm not a Hindi speaker. So if you are a native Hindi speaker, please let me know what do you think. And now let's try out the Dutch.
Like deze video als je geniet en abonneer, want laten we eerlijk zijn, dit is de beste beslissing die je...
This is the original. Let's play the generated.
De rivier drinkt zijn eigen water niet, de boom eet zijn eigen vrucht niet. De zon schijnt niet voor zichzelf en de bloem verspreidt haar geur niet voor zichzelf. Voor andere leven is de regel van de natuur.
Not bad, I would say. And now let's run the Portuguese.
É a melhor decisão que você tomará hoje.
Let's play the generated.
O rio não bebe sua própria água. A árvore não come seu próprio fruto. O sol não brilha para si mesmo. E a flor não espalha sua fragrância para si mesma. Viver pelos outros é a regola da natureza.
Yeah, I think the cloning and the prosody is very good. Now let's have a very quick look at this architecture in very simple words. The model takes two inputs, a voice reference audio that defines the speaking style which we just saw, and the text tokens you want spoken, and feeds both into a single autoregressive decoder backbone that processes everything together. At each step, the decoder runs two heads in parallel, a linear head that handles the semantic prediction of what comes next, and a flow matching transformer that refines that prediction into detailed acoustic features which are then decoded into 80 millisecond audio chunks. The whole process loops autoregressively. Each generated audio token gets fed back as context for the next step until the model emits an end-to-end token. This unified single model design rather than separate stages stitched together is what gives Voxtral its low latency and natural prosody, which we also just saw. So I think they have done pretty well in my opinion. It is much better than their previous Voxtral, and Voxtral is not new, by the way. Voxtral series has been going on and on for I think more than a year now. You can see that first Voxtral was around 8 months ago when we covered it. It was quite big. They have reduced the size and improved the quality and the prosody and the emotion generation. So I think this is what AI is moving towards. Sizes are reducing, quality is improving. That's it. Let me know what do you think. Please support the channel. I will leave it to you whether you become a member or subscribe or whatever. Please also follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates without any hype. I would highly appreciate that. Thank you for all the support.